Hello everyone, welcome to another Java for Android tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to install JDK on a Mac. Let's open a search website and then type download JDK Mac. And the first website that opens is oracle.com. Click on that. And when you scroll down, you could see Java SE Development Kit, which means Java Standard Edition. I'm going to hit accept license and then search for the Mac OS and click the DMG to download it. Let's wait for it to download. Now it's downloaded. I'm going to click to open. A window pops up and then I'm going to hit double click to install it. And then another install JDK window pops up. I'm going to hit continue, install and type in the password. It is going to install all the files for you. Now hit close. Now it asks you if you want to move the installer to the trash. I'm going to hit move to trash as I don't need it. Now close the program and exit it. To verify if the installation was successful, open the terminal. In any folder, hit Java C and you could see something like this. You could see all the options that you can use with the Java C command, and this means that the JDK was installed fine. That's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial. This is Alex Vijaraj. Have a good one.